Peter is saving money to buy a cell phone. He plans to save $13 a month for 9 months. Then he will only need $9. What is the cost of the cell phone? We're going to record our answer and fill in the bubbles below. We're going to be sure to use the correct place value. Okay, so first thing we like to do is underline the question, what is the cost of the cell phone? So we're looking for the information of what is the cost of the cell phone. So let's go ahead and start with our UPSI. Let's go ahead and come up with an idea. So I know that I need how many months? $13 a month for 9 months. So this is month number 1. How much money is he going to save month 1? $13. Month 2, another $13. Month 3, $13. Month 4, on and on and on. So he's going to continue to save $13 for 9 months. So in order to see how much the phone costs, I know that he has to save $13 for 9 months. Then he will only need 9 more dollars. So what can I do to figure out that total? Well, first off, I'm doing 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, on and on and on, all the way till I get to month 9. So what operation is that? That's right, operation we're going to be using is multiplication. So let's try that out. Let's do 13 times 9. This is then going to give us the total amount of money that's going to be saved in those 9 months. So this is $13. This is a 9 months. 9 times 3, what's 9 times 3? 27. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 2. 9, 10, 11. So how much money is he going to save in those 9 months? That's right, $117 is how much money he's going to save. So now that we know that part, it says then he will only need $9 more dollars, or $9. So what do I have to do to figure out how much money the cell phone costs? Because I know it's $117. Now he needs 9 more. So what can I do to figure out the total cost of how much the cell phone is? That's right, I can add. But what are we going to add? Well, I already have $117. I need 9 more dollars, so I'm going to add 9. 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus nothing is 1. So how much money does the cell phone cost? That's right, $126 is the cost of the cell phone. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into my bubble. So let's go ahead. This is 126. Do I have any decimals here? No, so I can simply put zeros there because I do not have any decimal points here. I'm going to shade in neatly. And I have 126. This is my hundreds, tens, ones. I have 126. B. A fourth grade math teacher had 252 pattern blocks. She decided to work with 25 blocks on each of the 8 tables in her classroom. How many pattern blocks did she not use? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, underline my question. How many pattern blocks did she not use? Well, I know she used 25 blocks on 8 tables in her classroom. So this is table 1, table 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So she used 25 blocks on each of the 8 tables. This is 25 blocks on each table. Now we want to figure out how many pattern blocks did she not use. Well, she has 252 total pattern blocks. She used 25 for this table, another 25 here, another 25, another 25, another 25, on and on and on. We want to figure out how many she did not use. So how can we figure out how much she has already used? Well, let's see. How much has she used? Well, what can we do? I can add 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 and on, but I can do an operation that's similar to repetitive addition, and that's considered multiplication. So I can multiply 25 times 8. That right there is going to give me my total used. Now, how can I figure out how much she did not use? Once I figure that out, I can do what? That's right, I can then subtract. So I'll be finding my total used and subtracting it from 252. So let's go ahead and solve that. 25 times 4, times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many did she actually use? How many pattern blocks? That's right, she used 200 pattern blocks. So she has 252, and she used 200 of them. How many did she not use? That's right, now is my operation to subtract. 252, take away 200, should be 52. 52 pattern blocks were not used. Now let's go ahead and put this into our bubble in our answers here. Again, do I have any decimals here? Nope, so I do not need to put in any decimals. I can put in zeros and shade in the zeros. I have a 52. Remember, this is my hundreds, tens, ones. Do I have any hundreds in my answer? No, I do have a 5 in the tens and a 2 in the ones. So this right here should be 52.